Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Manya Thakur, and I took this lecture in PAFOS 2024 as well as OICON. So, in this, you can have the glimpse of procedures in which you can incorporate easily in your practice, being an ENT and facial plastic surgeon. So, this is my small intro. So, the procedures which you can easily involve are Botox, fillers, thread lift, medifacials, and then your autologous fat grafting. Apart from that, complete facial rejuvenation with plasma sculpting, mesotherapy, PRP, and a lot of laser or energy assisted procedures you can do. Also, hair transplant and minor surgical procedures like ALR and ear piercing, blepharoplasty, dimple creation, depending on your expertise, you can involve that. So, coming to the medifacials, these are the facials which are medically proven to benefit the skin in long term. These are not regular facials but are using vitamins, antioxidants, AHAs, BHAs, chemical peels, and also they use power devices like radio frequency, ultrasound, microcurrent, LED for rejuvenation of skin, which leads to further anti aging of the skin. So, this is how it's done. Sorry for the sound. Yeah. So these are just few before and after results of medifacials. So even as a surgeon, if you see, you have to get a clear feel before operating on. So you need your skin to be really healthy, free of comedones, dust, dirt, and pimples, acne, and it has to be healthy when you have to do a surgery. So it's better that you treat the skin part as well, so that you have a healthy patient and with a healthy skin to work on. So these are few results of medifacials. You can see the pigmentation has improved even in a single session. The pores has reduced. Now, as a surgeon, we have always done parts preparation whenever we are doing our post graduation or say MBBS. So this is a procedure. This video is showing a derma planning. In derma planning, we just remove the superficial hairs or peach fuzz along with superficial debris. Now, this leads to gentle, mild exfoliation of the skin, leading to a glow in the face. Now, it can be a dry derma planning or wet derma planning, depending on how you want your patient to be, depending on the skin requirement of the patient. So, this is a before and after of derma planning. Now, mesotherapy, another is a wonderful technique which in that you can incorporate your vitamins, enzymes, hormones, PRP, exosomes into the skin. You can just use a meso gun or a micro needling device for this, and this is a wonderful anti-aging treatment which also leads to reduction in acne scars, pigmentation, reduction in open pores, and it also leads to like a greater plump up skin, and it is a wonderful device to keep. It is a lunchtime procedure. You don't have to apply even Numbex for that. Patient can directly go for it, and depending on the area and skin thickness, we do it. So again, this is another slide in which you can show. I have put the picture of face only because I generally want face, but as such, it can be done on any part of body. Say it your your inner thighs or your stretch marks or your tummy, wherever you have stretch marks, acne scars, your surgical old scars or darkening, you can do that. This is again a before and after result of a mesotherapy or medifacial. You can see there is a visible improvement in the nasolabial fold as well as skin texture. Then again, this is a patient with the scar rejuvenation. With I have done this with Dermapen 4 and triamcinolone injection. Scars and acne reduction. Now, another very nice treatment is microneedling with radio frequency. In this, what happens, we do microneedling, and this is a device which sends power radio frequency to the delivers private radio frequency to the skin, which leads to further anti-aging, and it boosts collagen in a double fold rather than a simple microneedling. So another wonderful procedure which you can incorporate. It will definitely leads to reduction in visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, and it is a wonderful tool for young patient from especially from 25 to 45 age group, so that it will further prevent aging and they will not need botox or fillers in their like future if they start getting it done in their young age itself. Now, chemical peels are again a wonderful treatment. They can be used for lip lightening, for facial rejuvenation, skin brightening, reduction of pimples, acne, fine lines, wrinkles, and it leads to a wonderful results in just minimal downtime. And you really, patients are go back very happy after getting a chemical peels. So it can be done on any part of the body for like truncal continue practice. Then fillers, we can do full facial rejuvenation with hydrating boosters. We can do lip fillers. We can do, even nose fillers. We can do plasma sculpting as well. Liquid rhinoplasty for patients who don't want to undergo surgery or don't have, cannot afford downtime. For example, if there's marriages ahead after 15 days or 20. So in that case, patients only I do liquid rhinoplasty. Otherwise, my first option is maximum time is surgery itself. But after all, it's a patient's choice what they want to get done in their body. So basically, I leave it to the patients if they want to go for a surgical or a non-surgical thing. Then another liquid rhinoplasty case, gill fillers, chin augmentation. This you can do easily in your setups. Then coming to lasers. Lasers are your choice whether you want to have it or not. My practice is completely aesthetic practice in my daycare. So I have put up lasers in my clinic as well. So this is a Q switch laser in which is very much useful for depigmentation, laser toning, tattoo removal, skin rejuvenation. Hair bleaching is also a wonderful procedure which we do before a hydra facial getting done. Then for brown spots, any congenital pigmentation, it works very well. So you can see we can go like work from hand to lips and everywhere we can do that. And this is another like procedure which can you can incorporate easily is a laser hair reduction. Now everybody wants to get rid of their hair, so LHR is a procedure which you can have you or either you can staff can do it. You don't need to do everything itself, but of course you have to monitor the parameters, you have to train them well, and you have to always keep up with your patient, keep what you're going to do and explain them very well whatever the procedures pros and cons are there. So again, this is a like 15 minutes procedure and it will give you good results, revenue as well. Then this is a semi-permanent makeup. It's an optional one. Generally, we don't have, but mine is a complete aesthetic setup. That's why I have learned this. This is putting up some micro pigmentation on eyebrows or lips, or vitiligo camouflage we can do. And this is required. This is done mostly these days. Madarosis is very common in females for because they suffer from hypothyroidism. Apart from that, I learned it to do it for patients with alopecia. With patients with alopecia, with acid attacks, or with burns. So it really create at least some aesthetic look for the patient. So this we can do. Apart from that, you can do scar revision at your setup, xanthelasma and wart removal. And another very nice revenue generating procedure is your IV depigmenting therapy, in which you can add up the products according to the patient requirements. You can get their vitamin B12, vitamin D assist, and give them glutathione along with vitamin C, collagen, alpha lipoic, and acetylcysteine, depending on what kind of profile patient is having. So this augments their immunity, that brightens their skin, improves their sleep, anxiety, and irritability, and the patients are very happy with even with 6 to 12 sessions of this. And this is also called another procedure which we can incorporate. It's again an optional procedure. It's a fibroblasting. This is used for minimal to mild wrinkles if the patient doesn't want to go for botox, fillers, or he doesn't want to get surgery. So this is a procedure which will mildly shrunk the skin, decrease the fine lines, so that there is some improvement in the laxity of the skin. So I cannot compare with a surgery, but it's like something better than nothing. So it is like that. So you can see how this your skin it constricts when we create a thermal trauma by this plasma pen. This is a before and after results. Again, it can use for jet peel. Through this technique we can use for skin rejuvenation. It increases the melanin formation. Now, this is again a patient with a hydrating booster I have done, and he wanted a neck lift, but he was 75-year-old. So I didn't do neck lift. I just did some hydrating boosters in thread for him, and this is result after this is immediate like a result, and it will further improve after 6 months. Again, wart removal, chin reduction, and face slimming. So this is again a case of full face rejuvenation with thread lift and fillers and some Botox. So we have to individualize every patient, and we should always use combination treatments depending on the patient requirements. And we have to do only minimal things to create very subtle changes, so that we give a very natural looking face to the patient. For example, something has been done, but the other should not be able to make it what it has been done, and that's how you get like happy patients. So thank you so much everybody for watching me, and I'm really thankful to my teachers and faculties for teaching me, and everybody is welcome at my Mac. So as my mentors say, a surgeon is like a warrior. He should have all kinds of armamentarium and use the best tool according to the patient needs, because ultimately it's the patient satisfaction and quality results that matter. So always believe in giving quality, quality, and quality. Thank you so much.